Hello, I am Emma.
Hello, I am Teacher Helen. Today we are going to learn animal and its babies. Emma, can you match them?
Let me try.
Great, Emma, all are correct. Dog. Puppy. Cat. Kitten. Chicken. Chick. Emma, how about this one? Can you match them?
Let me see.
Good, Emma. You get it all right. Cow. Calf. Horse. Foal. Kangaroo. Joey. Emma. Emma,
Yes, teacher.
can you please match this?
Sure, teacher.
Great, well done, Emma. Sheep. Lamb. Deer. Fawn. Tiger. Cub. Emma, how about this one? Can you match them?
Let me try.
Good, Emma. You get it all right. Pig. Piglet. Lion. Cub. Duck. Duckling. Emma, how about this one? Can you try to match them?
Sure. Let me try.
Great, Emma, all are correct. Goat. Kid. Donkey. Foal. Bear. Cub. Emma.
Yes, teacher.
Emma, how about this one? Can you match them?
Let me try.
Well done, Emma. Rabbit. Bunny. Butterfly. Caterpillar. Elephant. Calf. Emma, how about this one? Can you match them?
Sure. Let me try.
Good job, Emma. Frog. Tadpole. Zebra. Colt. Owl. Owlet.